Hey guys, welcome back to Mommy's Corner with Ashley. So today's video will be a laundry room makeover. I have some supplies right here on the floor, so let's get started. Alright, so right here we had just moved in, so I didn't have too many things right here on this rack. But the reason I'm doing this laundry room makeover is because these racks, it's kind of hard to place your bottles on them without falling. That's why I have this little board right here trying to hold up everything that I brought with me. So now I'm just placing products into the baskets as far as so right here it's like body care and things like that. So I'm just trying to sort everything out first, and then we'll get into everything else later. Alright, so we have everything in the baskets. Now let's get to the boards. So I got this idea from Do It on a Dime. However, she had a thicker board to where you can halfway cut that part where I'm creasing at, and it can just flap over. However, I didn't do that for some odd reason, and so now I'm over here looking like I'm struggling. But my initial thought was, okay, let me just crease it and then it can kind of fold over on its own. But you will see later in the video that it didn't quite work, especially after I cut off the pieces at the end. So right here is what I'm talking about. I creased it twice. One right here at the top and then one at the bottom right there. And I'm like, oh, that'll be cool. I can just tuck it under. But guess what? I didn't have anything to tuck it under with. So it's just started to look a mess, right? Now I'm about to get to the cutting towards the ends. And you'll see what I'm talking about as far as the looks. So I'm like, oh, okay, that would look nice, but it still needed like a little bit of pressing down. And so later on in this video, you will see what I tried to do and how it ended up turning out. Alright, so now I've turned over to this other part of the laundry room, and this is the rack that goes over the actual washer and dryer. And so I'm like, okay, cool. You know, I don't have to leave anything over the flat part because I would probably hang something over the washer and dryer to let it dry. And so what I did was literally fold it in half. Duh, fold it in half. I'm done. And it's seamless and it looks nice. And I can hold my laundry products on the racks without them falling. So I turned over to the other side and I did the same thing. I just folded them in half and voila. I'm done and it looks really nice. It actually looks better. And I got everything into my baskets. Everything costs under $15. And this project was easy to do. Like I said, just fold the boards in half and place them on the racks. Get your baskets of your choice, of your liking. And voila, that's it. Thanks for watching my video, y'all. See y'all next time.